I can, I will, I must. Everything what we did here, every kind of exercise, the sitting meditation, the laying meditation, the standing meditation, the purpose was to give you an idea of who you are. What does it mean? To give you an idea to get to know yourself from a different perspective, from a different angle. Each of these exercises prepare you guys for life. Don't let these negative feelings take over. Don't allow these negative feelings to take over and have such an influence that it stops everything in your body. You're stronger than that. As a tribe, uplift yourself. Our goal is to build a big tribe in this world, to build it up, to uplift each other, to have a family in each corner of the world. You're not in competition with anyone else. The only person you're in competition with is the person you see in the mirror. I know this pain is hard. The pain of winning is hard. The pain of achieving is hard. But trust me one thing, the pain of giving up is much harder. Rather you guys go through this pain than through the pain of giving up.